Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making ladi paos or Japanese milk buns which are light and soft like cotton. If you are new to my channel, hi there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it now. You can eat these buns with a lot of varieties like butter, cream, potato filling, bhaji and many more. Here I have 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of lukewarm milk. In that I am adding 1.5 tablespoons of active dry yeast. Give it a quick mix and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now it's time for our dry ingredients. I'm taking 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Do not add salt at this moment. Sometimes salt may deactivate the yeast, which we do not want, so I would suggest not to add it before adding yeast mixture. After 10 minutes, add the yeast mixture to the flour and mix it. Now you have to add half teaspoon of salt. Now mix all the ingredients very well and make a soft dough. At this time, your dough will be very sticky, so do not worry about that. Put some flour on your bench and transfer the dough. Knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not add too much flour on your workstation, it can ruin the texture of the buns. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter to it. You can also add clarified butter or ghee to it. Mix the butter with the dough by folding it multiple times. This will make the process easier. Now you have to knead the dough for at least 10 minutes or until it stops sticking. Stretch the dough in between and knead it. Now after kneading it, keep this dough in a greased bowl which should be big in size because our dough is going to double in size. Cover the bowl with a lid or a cling wrap and keep this bowl at a warm place for at least 1.5 hours. After an hour and a half, my dough has doubled in size. I am going to punch it and transfer it on my bench. Now I am dividing my dough into smaller pieces. Here is the trick. Fold each piece of dough. This technique will make our buns more attractive. Keep these dough balls in a greased baking pan. You can use any shape of baking pan. Do the same with the remaining dough. Once you place all the balls, cover them and let them rest for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, brush them with some butter. Bake them in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. When they are brown from the top, take them out. Brush some butter on the top and enjoy. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and do share your experience in the comment section. Hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.